In this video, I am not making a prediction. The session is not finished, and I am not calling direction. What I want to do here is explain what the market structure is doing right now and what conditions still need to be confirmed. Let's start with the 1-hour chart. Bitcoin on the 1-hour time frame is still trapped inside a range. There has been no breakout and no confirmed directional acceptance. The Asia session formed below the prior U.S. session low. However, price did not continue lower. Instead, price is currently trading between yesterday's U.S. session low and the prior session high. This means price is rotating inside reference levels, not expanding away from them. There is no clean acceptance back inside the U.S. session box. At the same time, there is no confirmed breakout above the Asia session high. Both sides remain unconfirmed. Now let's look at volatility. The long-term Bollinger Bands are slowly closing. This tells us that downside support is still holding. However, closing bands do not indicate trend expansion. They indicate balance. Structure is compressing, not resolving. The short-term Bollinger Bands initially compressed, then slightly expanded, then compressed again, and are now attempting to expand once more. But this entire short-term movement is still happening inside the long-term Bollinger Band range. That means volatility exists, but it is still contained. This is not a breakout condition. The 20-period moving average is extremely close to price. So far, it has acted as resistance. Price has not shown clean acceptance above it. At the same time, it is close enough that a break is still possible. This reinforces the idea that this is a decision area, not a directional signal. Because of this structure, this is not an upside breakout zone. Instead, this is a moment to observe whether price breaks down below the prior U.S. session reference from 2 sessions ago, or holds it as support. Structure decides first. Price follows later. Now let's move to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute time frame, both the short-term and long-term Bollinger Bands are extremely tight. Price is moving narrowly inside the band range. There is no expansion. The moving averages remain in a bearish alignment. Price is also trading below the 120-period moving average based on the Asia session reference. That context matters. Any reaction must be evaluated with that structure in mind. So overall, this is not a breakout environment. This is a wait and observe environment. Volatility is compressing and testing, but direction has not been accepted. Until structure resolves, patience matters more than positioning.